Lola? Okay. Are you in a cranky mood? Tell me what's up. Why are you in a cranky mood? Why? ¿Qué pasa? Tell me what's up. Are you in a cranky mood? Huh? Are you in a cranky mood? Ay, somebody